Definitely. That is some nasty looking coolant that they just flushed that multiple times before he came and then put new coolant in it. And that's how nasty it looks. That was the pink stuff, the good stuff for the night. The Detroit diesel brand, actually. Man, that's disgusting. There's a sample of the coolant in there. It is just coolant. There's no oil in it. It's very dirty and nasty. Certainly doesn't look like it was just flushed multiple times and then brand new coolant put in a few days ago, but it apparently wasn't. I'm wondering how they flushed it, if they actually ran the engine, got it up to temperature. They probably didn't. That's just my guess. But it is just coolant. It just is very nasty, and the expansion was going on in there because that sight glass, we drained some out, but it was all the way full when he got here. But after it cooled down, I could see the top. It was about halfway what it is right now. I think I showed a video of it earlier, so it's just very nasty coolant that needs to be replaced, unfortunately, again. That stinks to the pocketbook, but you can't leave that stuff in there. Put the new airbags on this mc9, all new hardware, new bags. I'm gonna be putting radius rod bushings. These radius rod bushings are shot. You can see how much that's movement's head going on down there. It's not even centered. It's hanging out the back over there.
I didn't feel too badly. You know, my tools behind when I sold the property, they were all air tools. None of them are technology.
Okay. Shouldn't have all that space in between there. It's been letting it go back and forth, letting it actually twist, and it looks like it's actually been rubbing on there. So there's been a lot of movement. Probably when you accelerate and move, when you get on the throttle, this side would come backwards and the other side would go. Yeah, it would banging around a little. This shock is bad. It's blown out. You can see the fluid came out of it.
Yeah.
I gotta take this brake drum off. One way to get him out. You only take one off at a time and nothing can move. And it goes back on pretty easy.
Shit. Turn the air back on and I just run a can of soil. Now I get my spray bottle.
Okay, so to put these radius rod bushings in, I just take some soapy water. I don't want to use an oil or anything. And just set them in there. Step on. That's it. Huh, that's smart. Give me that pry bar. Pull down, is that all of them? Should be it, right?
Should be it. It's just the plate is stuck to the air beam. All the bolts are gone.
Got some good moves. flashlight out of there. It's blinding me right in the eyes.
There it is.
Maybe handing me a flashlight. I could use it on this.
Under.
Okay, here we go. Ready?
Yep.
Almost. Okay, one down. Number 2.